The sea is a magical place, it's full of wonder. We can paint it, we can explore its beauty. Think about the smell of salt air. Feel the cool breeze, hear the cry of seagulls. We can put it all in our painting. Let's paint a happy little seascape. We'll start with a blank canvas. Our canvas is our world, it's ready for our dreams. First we need some tools. Brushes are our friends. We'll use a big brush for the sky. A smaller brush will paint the details. We need paint. Blue for the sky and water, brown and green for the land, white for the clouds. Don't forget the yellow for our sun. Let's get a palette knife. It's great for mixing colors, and we need a palette. It holds all our pretty colors. Don't forget a rag. We'll use it to clean our brushes. Now we're ready to paint. Let's start with the sky. It's big and blue. Load your brush with blue paint, make big sweeping strokes. Now for the sunset. Add some yellow and orange to the sky. Blend it gently with your brush. See the beautiful colors. Let's add some happy little clouds. Use white paint and a light touch. Dab the brush on the canvas. See, the clouds are fluffy. Now for the water. Use blue and white paint. Make wavy lines with your brush. The water is alive. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We can turn them into happy little accidents. That's the joy of painting. Now you can paint your own seascape. Remember, there are no limits in nature. You can add a boat, rocks, birds, trees, a beach, and waves. Use your imagination. Let your creativity flow. Paint with joy in your heart. Keep practicing. Each painting will be better than the last. You are a painter.